Hi, I'm Cherylin, and today we're going to be replacing the cycling thermostat in the Whirlpool electric dryer. You'll need to replace the cycling thermostat if yours has shorted out and it's not allowing any heat into the dryer. This repair should take about 10 to 15 minutes. For this repair, we're going to be working in the back of the dryer, and we're going to be needing two tools. First, a 1/4-inch nut driver. Second, you may need a flathead screwdriver. If you don't already have a cycling thermostat, you can buy it on our website. Before repairing any appliance, always make sure it is completely disconnected from the power source. To start, we're going to need to remove the back panel. There are 9 1/4-inch screws around the perimeter of the back panel that we're going to need to remove. We're going to start by removing this one right up top here. It holds in the small access panel at the back. So when we remove this, the small access panel will pop out. We can set that to the side. And now we can remove the remaining 8 1/4-inch screws. Now we just need to tip the back panel to about a 45-degree angle and slide out. So here we have our cycling thermostat. We're going to start by disconnecting the wires that are connected to it. Note that we have a red one on top, a red and white on bottom, and 2 purple in the middle. So we'll start by getting these off. Sometimes they're a bit snug. If you need, you can use your flathead screwdriver to pop them off. Next, we take our 1/4-inch nut driver. We have 1 1/4-inch nut that we need to screw off. And that'll pop right out. So here we have our new cycling thermostat. We start by sliding the one end under the flat side, pushing it right in to where it started. We take our 1/4-inch screw to remount that. Then we reconnect the wires. Remember, red on top, white and red on bottom. And then both of the purples, either one can go either place. Now we can put the back panel back on. Just need to line up the bottom ridge so they line up. Push it forward and all the holes should line up, just like that. Then take your 1/4-inch nut driver and screw them all back in. Lastly, we have the small access panel. It just slides right into that slit and pushes over. Put your last 1/4-inch nut in. And that's all there is to it. Here's a recap. All of our OEM parts and tools are available for purchase on our website. Check it out along with our social media sites here.